Hello. At first, the head pump had an error 7H-06, which means that there was a leak of the head carrier somewhere. The pressure in the system had dropped. I looked for a head carrier leak in the all system and found it. I changed a couple of parts. I had made a video about it before. However, this did not solve the problem. The pressure in the system dropped. The pressure was at 0.3 bars, then dropped to 0.1 bars. I increased the pressure in the system to 1 bar, but still, over time, the pressure dropped again. I checked the entire system and couldn't find any leaks. I removed the head pump cover and searched for the head carrier leak inside the head pump's internal unit. I found it. The head carrier is blue in color, so you should be able to spot the leak without any problems. If you carefully examine the inside in the head pump, you can see traces and drops of the blue colored liquid. This is a safety valve that regulates the pressure in the system not to exceed 3 bars. Next to this safety valve, there is a leakage pipe. There are heat carrier resides in the leaking pipe. Therefore, I think the leak occurs through the safety valve. The next thing I did was to activate the hot water tank disinfection. This means that the head pump needs to heat the water to 60 degrees Celsius and maintain that temperature for at least 40 minutes. After doing this, I observed that the pressure in the system increased, even exceeding 3 bars. It triggered the safety valve. This leads to the conclusion that the expansion tank of the system is fault. And this is the expansion tank for the head carrier. As a result, I decided to replace the expansion tank. To make the system work more efficiently, I chose a non-original expansion tank. After replacing it, the issue with pressure drops in the system was resolved. Now the head pump works perfectly. You can see the physical process of how I did it in the video further ahead. It increased the speed of the video. That's all. Wishing everyone good health and success. Till the next time.